everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my crafty den. If you're new here, thank you so much for hitting that button and watching this video. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back today. I really appreciate each and every view, as well as all the wonderful comments that I get on my channel. So today I am going to share with you what I've done for the top of my buffet. I am in the house in New Brunswick and we are on a lockdown. So because we came here, we're quarantined for 14 days. And yeah, so I'm just filming this with the camera in my hand. So sorry if it's a little bit shaky. I haven't quite mastered that yet. And I'll show you what I've done. Now I have only the things that I have here to work with. So my buffet needs to be painted, and the top of it's had about 100 years of really intense use. So, and it's gone through a couple of families within my family. It's been in my family since my grandmother had it. So let's start with my 3-tiered tray. I made this. I have a video on how I made this. I will link that in the description box. I absolutely love it, and everything came from the thrift store. So it was a trash to treasure video, and I have the few elements that I had here. So you'll see a lot of repetition in this because of what I already had on hand. So on the top tray right here, I have filled all my trays. So I put purple shred in them. Very purple and yellow and pink to me are so Easter. And so on the top, all I have is this Ray Dunn mug that says hop and has that really cute little bunny on the stump there. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. So I put a little succulent in here for some green, a succulent up there, a larger one, to fill the cup. And then these little glitter foamed carrots I have stuck in the shreds so that they look like little carrot gardens popping out and about. So I'm going to come down to the next level. I have just a little bit of this greenery here, a little bit of greenery tucked in underneath this bunny. I have, those are the Dollar Tree eggs, the little speckled eggs that came in the cardboard cartons. I think they're adorable, absolutely adorable. And I've used them. I bought like 4 of those when I bought them with different things in mind, but they're so pretty the way they are that I haven't changed them a whole lot. I have this is one of those eggs that you can fill that come apart in the middle. I've just painted it white and put an Easter decal on here. I got those from, I can't exactly remember where, but I have a whole bunch of those Easter eggs, and they have different little words on them. And I really don't have a basket or anything here to display them in, but I think I'm gonna put them somewhere else as soon as I can figure out what to do with them. But so I have the eggs in the back. I have these 2 little Dollarama bunnies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I got 3 of those in total, all in different poses. I have the egg. I have some of these little carrots in here. Yeah, I love this. I absolutely love this level. It is just so, so cute. And then coming down, I have this bead garland that I made. So I have it draped over across that tray and then kind of draped and hanging down to the next level. I needed some more yellow. So I've got lots of blues and greens and pinks, but I needed some more yellow. So this one I made for my lemon display last year, but it works. So I've taken 2 of the white speckled eggs and put them in this little nest that I had. I've got my Hop to It mug there. I have another succulent, another half dozen of those eggs in the back, and this is my 3rd little bunny. So that's the 3-tiered tray from the top all the way down. So I didn't have much to work with. So I think this turned out as cute as a button. It is adorable. Yeah, so I have, this is the Easter Bunny little plaque that I made last year. And I have my Enjoy cup that has the blue on the inside. I have that there. These, sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I have these little chicks that are going in there, those little glass egg cups that I bought last year. I was thinking of painting these, but I don't know how old they are, and I've never seen anything quite like them before. And I found the 3 of them. I imagine there was more in the set when they first came out. But I found those for 50 cents for the 3 of them, I believe. So I've just put speckled eggs in those and put them in front of my egg tray. This is a thrift store egg tray. I absolutely love this. As a decor piece, this is fabulous. I love it. And it's something that can be left out all the time. It doesn't have to be just for Easter. I have like a farmhouse style, a mishmash farmhouse style in my new house. That's what I'm going for. So yeah, that's what I have. And then, so that's on that side. So over on this side, I have a travel cup turned around backwards just to hold these purple straws right there. I have my happy mug. It is yellow on the inside, so I decided to use it there. I do have that Easter plaque. And then in front of them, I've taken this. This is a ceramic egg carton. Hold on one second. I have to let my cat in. There. So my cat's being, yeah, she's being herself. But I have that Easter plaque as well as I have this. This was another thrift store find, and it is ceramic. See? Same, a little heavier maybe. It was like $1. That was such a cool find for me because it just matches my Ray done perfectly. Absolutely perfect. So this is my Easter buffet. There. So that's it. I have nothing on the walls. I have to get busy and start making stuff. But like I said, I have limited resources here. So I'm doing the best I can for April. I would like to put a video out every day in April, something like the Veda challenge. But yeah, I'm just doing this on my own. I just would like to post a video every day in April to see if I can do it with the resources that I have on hand. So yeah, so this right here is really cute. So with this in my coffee bar is all the decoration I have, one at each end of my kitchen. So that's pretty much my Easter, and I can leave the bunnies, change out the mugs, leave the bunnies, and maybe change this out for spring with very little work. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these little shares on how I am setting up the buffet top, let me know down below. I don't have a lot of areas in this house right now to decorate. So yeah, I'm just doing what I can do. So don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and by all means share this if you want to. And if you're not a subscriber already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can come back and see what I'm going to do next. So bye-bye for now, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to stay 6 feet away from people, 2 meters. You know, I've heard people say if you are closer than the length of a hockey stick, you're too close. So bye-bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.